Hey guys, I hope you guys are about to enjoy the video that you're about to watch, and if you guys want to get access to awesome trades like this that me and Hayden post on a regular basis, all you have to do is sign up with the link in the description. Now remember, we're not always going to win them, but we're going to make some great gains along the way. Feel free to check out the profit and loss history on my website. Peace. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And let's get right into it. And as you guys can probably tell, Bitcoin had a massive move up, a $30,000 pump. Oh, sorry, actually, we didn't pump by 30,000, but we hit the price of 30,000, and that was absolutely insane today. If you guys were in the Discord, you would have caught some amazing trades done by me and Hayden. We actually closed out some very nice wins today. I'll just show you guys right here. I'll pull it over there. There we go. So we actually pulled in some beautiful gains on CFX, Matic, Litecoin, and ADA as well. So again, congrats to the gold members and the crypto members. You guys are killing it inside the Discord. We actually made a killing on Fair Desk copy trading as well. You guys can sign up with the link in the description. But now getting into the analysis, Bitcoin right now has pumped massively towards the upside. Now, a lot of people are getting very bullish on this, but again, this was a fake news pump. You know, Cointelegraph came out with some news that the Bitcoin ETF was approved, but it really wasn't. And then you could see, you know, we had a dramatic fall in the Bitcoin price afterwards. You know, we pumped up, you know, to an extreme amount within like 10 minutes, and then we came crashing down afterwards. So you could see how much, you know, how devastating that was for the Bitcoin price. But yes, obviously we made a new daily close high. We actually have a slight bearish divergence at the moment. So we made a higher high, but we have a lower high on the RSI. So right now I would expect the Bitcoin price to start to come down in a wave one, right? So now we extended the B wave towards the upside. And again, this is something I talked about in yesterday's video, is that we could potentially, you know, increase the B wave a little bit higher, which would bring us around 30K. And that's exactly what we did, right? So now I think that we could possibly start to come back down in a wave 1, 2, and then 3, and a 4, and a 5, right? So we'll have to see how this plays out. Obviously, that's not how it's going to look. It's going to extend something like this, right? And then we'll come back down. But if this goes any higher and we get higher daily closes above 30K, then this would invalidate the bearish scenario that we're going to go down and make one lower low. That would actually mean that we have made our low back here in September 11th, and then we're going to start to come back up in a wave 3, and then we're going to go mooning, rally, rally, rally. But actually looking at what the markets are doing right now, the way everything else is positioned, I would actually expect one more low in place, and that's going to be at a great accumulation opportunity. That's going to be very good for people who have not bought into Bitcoin yet. You could actually have a very nice opportunity to accumulate around these levels between 20K to 22 to 23K. That would be a great opportunity in my opinion. Now again, none of this is financial advice. You do whatever you want. But overall, that's what I expect to happen. Okay. Anyways, let's move on here. Let's take a look at Market Cipher. So again, we actually are getting a very good amount of green money flow coming in on the daily time frame. You can see this tight momentum wave, this green dot confirmation, and then a huge pump towards the upside in the morning. On the 4-hour time frame, however, we are actually surprisingly not even in green money flow. We are still in red money flow. We actually have a red dot confirmation on the 4-hour time frame, and then potentially maybe topping out here. So we'll have to see if we can come back up for a retrace and then start to come back down after. So we'll see what the markets do tomorrow. The DXY did come in a bit, so that definitely helped the markets, and it definitely helped Bitcoin as well. And looking at maybe at the weekly, so the weekly was actually looking bearish to neutral, but with this pump, it really shifted things towards the upside, right? So Market Cipher is actually looking very good for Bitcoin at the moment. Okay, so I'm not getting too bearish just yet, but overall Bitcoin is looking fantastic on the weekly time frame. It's looking like it's ready for more upside, but again, there's still six days left in this candle, and a lot of earnings are going to be coming out for Tesla, Netflix, and again, those are market moving stocks, and they can have a huge impact on the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. And if these markets start to roll over and start to drop significantly, right, or we have a geopolitical news event, then it can affect Bitcoin as well, and things can take a turn. Okay, so that's essentially it. Overall, looking very good on the daily time frame as well. 17 in the -5. What we want to see now is follow through. We want to keep this pump going, but unfortunately, I'm not too sure if we are going to get follow through, given the fact that this was fake news. But overall, you never know. Anything can happen. And then let's take a look at the daily time frame on Wave Edge. So Wave Edge is actually not showing us any buy signals or short signals. But at the moment, we actually did get a huge liquidation candle here. So I'm not too surprised if a bunch of shorts got squeezed out today, which would be the perfect thing to do right before you get another move towards the downside and then start to liquidate the longs, right? Because if everyone's getting bullish now, then they're probably going to start to want to accumulate some longs. And then if we don't hold these levels here, then we're probably going to start to come back down. Let's get on some smaller time frames, 4 hour. We did see, like I mentioned on Sunday, I don't know if I made a Sunday video. I think I did make a Sunday video. I'm not too sure. But overall, we did get some accumulation here right around Thursday. Oh yeah, okay, so I made this video during the week. We did get some accumulation here on Thursday, and we actually had a beautiful pump towards the upside afterwards. Let's see if we got our distribution on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we haven't seen any distribution yet, but it doesn't mean that the price cannot fall. We've seen pumps before, and the price can fall without the distribution happening. But if we start to get some distribution tomorrow morning, then that would be a bigger concern. Alright, so I think that wraps it up for today's video. I don't really have much to add from here, other than that overall, the commercial money is still net short. Nothing has really changed. They have not switched out from their long positions. But again, you need to remember that when commercial money is short by 1,800 contracts, right? They're not short for this week or the next 2 weeks. They could be short and be holding these positions for a move that's coming in the coming 3 to 4 months, right? They may expect this move to come not now, but later on, but they're just getting their positions ready now, because that's how commercial money plays, right? Retail money, dumb money, will chase. And you're probably going to see at the next report on this Friday is a bunch of potential long positions piling in long, and you're going to see commercial positions probably piling in short, because this was a great short opportunity. This pump was amazing to get into some shorts. All right, so I don't have anything else to add. That wraps it up for tonight's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and you are making some amazing trades. And if you guys want to, feel free to sign up with the link in the description and follow me on Copy Trade Fair Desk. Love you all. Peace.